Good day, good afternoon to my fellow friends and my fellow comrades that are standing right here in front of me. Today, my group theme is called Akatsuki, but today I'm the only man standing alone in here. So, my favorite topic is talk about superhero. Okay, see, we only have 4 members, but the only one still survived until here is only Nico. Okay. Now, my introduction, my favorite superhero is Batman. So I'm gonna talk about them, about you. Why is Batman is my favorite? So I'm gonna start from the beginning. Batman was part of DC Universe. He also got a nickname called the Dark Knight. Okay? First name he used Batman. Second name he called the Dark Knight. Why? Because he's a knight in the dark. His other character name was Bruce Wayne. He was a playboy and wealthy man. So open his mask, he's become a wealthy boy, a handsome dude, and a businessman, and a very rich and full with girls. But we don't know, right? Okay. The origin story was swearing vengeance against criminals after witnessing the murder of his parent. In the midnight, 12 o'clock, maybe or 1 o'clock, going home with his parent, and then a murderer stabbed his father and his mother. And then he saw that his parent with his own eye, and then he swore to himself, I'm gonna demolish every criminal that exists in Gotham City. He was an orphan, raised to face his own fear. So he got along in maybe 7 or 8 years old. He has to face fear with himself alone. So Batman was an orphan. But we never know he has really an orphan or have a parent. Or he was a happy dude, but actually not. He put a dark secret in himself. Oh, okay, next. He trained himself physically and intellectually. And how I supposed to say he was one of my favorite superhero? Because Batman, he was smart. Not also smart, he also strong. He trained himself mental, he trained himself physical. When we in a mid school, we always see a nerd boy, just skinny and nerd boy. But this dude is different. He nerd, but also when a nerd boy trained himself physical, that's gonna make his brain is twice much more stronger than any average human that ever lived on the face of the earth. Now, motoring Gotham Street at night. So during the day, he's doing a business, a normal human style. But in night, he doesn't sleep like normal people. He'll wake up and motoring Gotham Street at night, like jumping to the street, jumping the building to another building, and watch every criminal, until every criminal scared of the dark, while the dude is just a human living behind the shadow. Does not possess any superpower. This dude never has a superpower. He doesn't like Superman. He doesn't have a speed like the Flash. He doesn't have strong like Superman. He doesn't have what do you call another straight. We cannot compare this dude with another superhero. He's just a mortal, a normal mortal, a normal human with have no superpower, but he can defeat each one of the superhero of any. Excuse me, he can defeat any opponent that's stronger than him. He has his own way to defeat them, relying on his intellect, fighting skill, and wealth. So, why should he scare? Because he rich, he can do any gadget. He has intellect, he can use his own technology. He has fighting skill. The dude is perfect. Train with Ra's al Ghul to sharpen his mind. So, this man, to sharpen his mind, he go to the mountain, step out from the prison and go to the mountain to find this dude, Ra's al Ghul. This man was his master. So the master trained him to face his own fear. So like how? Example, there is his master made some smoke that can encourage them make multiple his scared. So when this dude is scared, he had to fight every opponent while wearing his scared. Okay. Next one, put fear to his enemy by using darkness as his advantage. When criminal is scared to anything, so how he defeat the opponent? He used every opponent. He used scare. He put fears to everyone else. Like this dude, he know he's scared of bad, so he used bad to scare someone else. Like that. Abilities and skill was a peak human physical and mental condition, greatest martial art, and most brilliant in solving any case. Batman is not like someone else. Batman is good in physical and mental condition. Like what? Batman can fight 10 people at once. He can fight in the dark, he can fight anywhere and any place. He also can fight Superman. He also can fight, I believe he can fight every member in the Justice League, but he only knows his own secret. High-tech vehicle and gadget in war against crime. So like we see in every movie, Batman has multiple gadgets and multiple high-tech vehicles. Like what? Those vehicles, those high-tech is make him move forward and fight against to defeat every opponent. That's why Batman is one step ahead from any human. Develop a batsuit to aid him in any type of combat. So his suit also protect him from any injury. Because when we receive an injury, we doesn't have our strength will get reduced. So thus that batsuit is protect him from any critical damage. Had a photographic memory and remember more than 100 martial arts. That's why the Batman is the best Superman. The best is my best superhero character, and he used his photographic memory to remember every 100 martial art. Conclusion. In conclusion, Batman was just a mere human being sharpening his abilities to fight against criminals in Gotham City. So Batman is not something special. He doesn't have DNA like Captain America. He just trained like a normal being. His only role was never to take someone's life. That is the hardest part to being a superhero. It's never take anyone's life. Even the villain is too bad, and we know that villain is supposed to get killed, but Batman never do. In another multiverse of DC, there is a Batman who actually killed Joker and made his brain nothing even further. This is a different type of story. Because in another multiverse of DC, Batman break his own rule by killing. When he killed Joker, and the Joker, let's say a parasite of Joker, is getting on his head and driving crazy, and that's why Batman is breaking more rules often. So he's getting killing spree. The next one has a master plan to defeat all superhero in Justice League. Like I said before, he has a plan to wipe out, to defeat every member in Justice League. He can defeat Batman, he can defeat Wonder Woman, he can defeat The Flash, he can defeat anyone and anywhere. Just tell him the time where you're gonna kill. Show me. He's gonna make an arena and fight 1v1. He can defeat those superhero Justice League. He uses weakness and then he fight until the death. If it's critical death, if there is no way to stop him now. Has his own way to fight his enemy superior than him. So like I said before, if Batman is weak than another opponent, he has his own way to fight those bigger guys. So that's why the martial art is very important to learn. It's not boxing. Boxing, straight is a straight. Straight is a straight. But Batman martial art, straight can deflect into the opponent himself. So that's all I have to say. That's why this is my favorite character. I see you all tomorrow, and I see you. Thank you for watching my. Thank you for watching my presentation. That's all.